It's 2021, and it looks like Fimi is trying to capitalize on the same market that DJI has with the DJI Mavic Mini and the DJI Mini 2. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. It's 2021, and it looks like Fimi is trying to capitalize on the same market that DJI has with the DJI Mavic Mini and the DJI Mini 2. We had heard some rumors that there was something, Fimi had something in the works regarding this. Well, I went ahead and I checked them out, and there is some information out there. First of all, Fimi put out a new app. Fimi put out a Fimi Navi Mini app. Now let's go ahead and roll this clip and take a look at the app. Now, there was some additional information that was posted out on the Fimi X8 SE 2020 group that I have, and I'll go ahead and I'll drop a link for that in the description. And I'm just going to go over this information. Now, again, this is completely unsubstantiated rumor, and let me go ahead and read that for you. DJI Mavic Mini-like design with weight of fewer than 250 grams, 4K 30 frames per second camera with a 3-axis gimbal, 2.3-inch image sensor, innovative laser focusing system, active track and other intelligent flight modes, 30 to 37 minutes of flight time, release date somewhere between January to March of 2021, expected price around $300 to $350 US dollars. Now, I have reached out to Fimi to ask them on this, and as soon as I find out information from them, I will be sure to post it. Now I'm also going to throw a picture up here, and I can tell you this, that the picture definitely looks photoshopped because the camera, not only the camera, but the gimbal and that whole assembly looks like it's straight off the DJI Mini 2. So just to let you know that. Question of the day: what do you think of this information regarding the Fimi Mini? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.